Jobs are everything. Jobs are everything.
We weathered a horrible recession, and we weathered it in Omaha, and I credit that to Mayor Suttle's administration.
Yeah, very good partner business.
I was part of the growth machine at HDR. I know how to sell. I know how to grow a company from 7 offices and 250 people to 185 offices and 8,000 people. And I did a lot of cold calling and a lot of cold markets that we had never worked in before, and guess what? They're all active today. So I bring all of that experience to the mayor's office.
Being a minority business owner, I was happily pleased to see how the city, as well as other city services, were purposely looking for small businesses to help them grow.
Just the fact that Mayor Suttle in his office will take us seriously and will take the time right away to sit down and talk about our concerns.
Job creation has been one of Jim Suttle's mantras, and he has really demonstrated substantive projects that create jobs, like the Learning Community Center, the One World Health Centers, the Kroc Center. I was there at the Kroc Center last week to do the kickoff for the STEP Omaha Youth Employment Program.
We need to get more kids into trades and technology, and he's committed really to doing that. And the more I talk to him, the more I believe that that is a passion he has, and that's a passion that I have.
We are so fortunate to have all of these young entrepreneurs starting new businesses. That's where the real jobs come from.
I lost a job at a different shop that I was a manager of in June, the end of June, and by the middle of July I had heard from so many different people, you need to open your own shop, that Vince and I, my partner in crime back there, decided, okay, let's open our own shop.
You know, getting young people to stay, they have to have opportunity. And the opportunities, we have to create a vibe, we have to create an atmosphere. We don't want people to say, gee, as soon as I graduate from high school, I'm going to leave Omaha.
I lived in Grand Lake, Colorado for a number of years, tiny little tourist town, and felt really good to come back to Omaha. I call it the boomerang effect. I think that a lot of young people leave Omaha, and then a lot of those young people come back to Omaha and realize, oh man, Omaha is kind of where it's at right now.
But Omaha is receiving national recognition for its livability and for its services. And for the quality of life that exists in this community.
I mean, the rankings keep coming out, and Omaha is in the top 10 of all these positive stories.
Jim Suttle has been at the forefront of marketing the city nationally.
As I join in partnership with the Chamber of Commerce and say, let's put Ames Locust together, that'll give us 4 shovel-ready sites for industry and warehousing. Now it's about selling to these investors that are coming in and wanting the facilities here in Omaha. Then we have the challenge through workforce development, Heartland Workforce Solutions that we created, to provide the employees.
I think Omaha is very exciting. It's a great place to live. Everything from transportation, employment, engaging young people within the city, engaging youth in work programs, etc. So I think we're moving in the right direction.
I can't imagine a more pro-business leader for our city than Mayor Suttle.